Now it's time for us to make our cookies and put them on the cookie sheet. You'll want to use an ungreased cookie sheet because these certainly have enough butter in them to not stick. You can line it with foil, but they have a tendency to stick to the foil when you're trying to put them on. So your best bet is just using a nice clean cookie sheet. And for the first cookie or two, you might have to press a couple of times in order for it to come off. And you can see just how easy this is. Depending on your press, you might want to use 1 or 2 presses. You can see I'm getting different size cookies, so you might want to pick up the first couple. There we go. And by doing it this way, you get kind of an assembly line going. And as soon as you get all the bugs out, then suddenly you're just moving right along down the cookie sheet. This is really why these are so fantastic, because you can make an entire sheet of cookies in hardly any time at all. Let's try with just one. And fortunately, by the width of the cookie press, that's about how far apart you want your cookies to be. So you don't even have to worry about spacing them. It comes kind of automatically. And as we finish up our first tray of Spritz cookies, it is time to go on to the next step.